demonstration, you have to consider the height. Established authority is when you're towering over someone that maybe is seated, or project submissiveness. So always take into consideration of being eye level with the person. Is this a right in?
Body tension is next.
It's right above body tension, I think.
So we put height and,
Height and then establish.
so verbal versus nonverbal.
Okay. Body tension, posturing, and physical appearance are other ways to communicate. I'll bring it back to you real quick there, Tim and Karen.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's physical appearance.
Touch is another one. We have the distance sounds. Remember, we talked about personal space early on this semester. So you have your distance sounds, and that's what this is going through. It's going to go through all the distance sounds. So your intimate distance is comforting and protecting. It's, you know, right, you're touching each other. Personal distance is 1.5 to 4 feet personal interest.
Can you go back? Can you go back?
Yes? Okay. Social distance is 4 to 12 feet. It's more formal business. And your public distance is 12 to 25 feet. There's no physical contact, little or no eye contact. It's distance between strangers. Okay, responding to active listening, you're going to paraphrase. You're going to have reflection of content, echoing. And just with that term echoing, it just reminds me of sometimes you can be working with a patient who literally will echo what you say. So you'll tell them, go over there and pick up the papers. And I'm heading here. The patient will say, go over there and pick up the papers. They literally will echo you. It's kind of like parroting or echoing. So when you get a patient like that, just to be on the up and up on that, it's part of how the brain has been.
I've always wondered about that.
Yeah.
I've actually had, I was talking to someone a couple times, and everything that, it's almost like they're looking at me and anticipating what I'm saying. And it's throwing me off of what I'm trying to tell them, because they're trying to like almost re-communicate it back to me.
Right. They may do better with demonstration, or just pick them up and bring them with you and cue them to pick up the papers. Reflection of feelings. Request for clarification. And silence. And summarization. It's always good to, especially when you first meet somebody and you're discussing the goals and the rehab process with the patient or a family member, to summarize the whole plan for them, or to summarize the conversation that you're having with them. So you tell me that your mother is living alone, and she has 3 steps going up into the mobile home. You know, just kind of summarize your conversations up with them. That way it kind of clarifies with the family member and the patient what your plan is, and they're better able to understand what's happening.